Welcome to Green RX, where we bring you the most amazing natural remedies from around the world. Today, we introduce you to the neem tree, scientifically known as Azadirachta indica. Originating from the Indian subcontinent, this tree is commonly referred to as the village pharmacy in India, neem tree in Iran, Indian lilac in Nigeria, and known as Philippine neem tree, and commonly known in Tagalog as balunga. Tradition has long hailed this tree as a medicinal marvel, and today it's fast gaining recognition in natural remedies globally. The neem tree is not just an ordinary tree, it's a powerhouse of healing properties waiting to be explored. Now let's delve into the remarkable healing properties of the neem tree. This extraordinary plant, also known as Azadirachta indica, has been cherished for centuries in various parts of the world for its extensive medicinal benefits. From the crown of its leaves to the deep roots, every part of the neem tree is a treasury of health benefits. The leaves, for instance, are known to alleviate skin conditions, from acne to eczema, thanks to their antibacterial properties. Not to mention, neem leaf paste can offer relief from irritating insect bites. The bark of the neem tree, on the other hand, is a potent tool against dental issues. By simply chewing on a piece of neem bark, you can combat tooth decay, gum inflammation, and bad breath. Moving to the seeds, these tiny powerhouses are often pressed into oil, a potent remedy for fungal infections, lice, and dandruff. Moreover, neem is a renowned warrior against diabetes, helping to regulate blood sugar levels. Incorporating neem into daily life can be as simple as brewing a cup of neem tea to boost your immune system, or applying neem oil topically to improve skin and hair health. From your skin to your teeth, from your blood sugar to your immune system, neem has something to offer for everyone. So, the next time you're in need of a natural, effective remedy, remember the neem tree, your versatile partner in health. As we've seen, the neem tree is more than just a plant. It's a natural pharmacy. This humble tree, found in many corners of the world, is a powerhouse of healing properties. From its leaves to its bark, every part of the neem tree can be harnessed for health benefits. The neem tree can offer solutions to various health challenges, including skin disorders, digestive issues, and even malaria. It's a testament to the incredible potency of nature, and a reminder that sometimes the best cures are those that have been around for centuries. If you're looking for a new addition to your health routine, why not consider the neem tree? Its versatility and effectiveness make it a worthy candidate. And beyond neem, there's a whole world of natural remedies out there waiting to be explored. Remember, nature holds the key to our aesthetic, intellectual, cognitive, and even spiritual satisfaction. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Green RX for more insights into the world of natural remedies. Stay healthy, stay green,